Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to enable or disable dark mode on Windows 11. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. In the left sidebar, select Personalization. Then click Colors. Under the section called Choose Your Mode, you will see three options. Option 1, Light. This makes everything bright. The taskbar, the Start menu, apps, and Windows all use light colors. Option 2, Dark. This switches the system to dark colors everywhere. Option 3, Custom. Custom lets you pick separate settings for Windows elements and for apps. You can set Windows mode to light or dark, and you can set app mode to light or dark. For example, you can keep the taskbar light but make your apps dark. If your mode options are missing or grayed out, check for these issues. You might have a contrast theme turned on. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Contrast Themes, and set the theme to None. If Windows is not activated, some personalization options may be locked. If dark mode does not apply to certain apps, open the app's own settings. Some apps, like browsers or Office apps, use their own appearance controls. Restart the app after changing the system mode. If websites inside your browser stay bright, you may need the browser's Force Dark Mode option. Check your browser settings for theme or appearance controls. You can also switch themes entirely. Go to Personalization, then Themes. Choosing a light or dark theme will override some color settings. If you want different accent colors, scroll down in the Colors menu to Accent Color. Choose Manual or Automatic and decide whether the accent color appears on the Start menu, taskbar, and title bars. That's how to enable or disable dark mode on Windows 11. If this helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more quick tech guides.